Hello, good morning. You're here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Today we got a pretty interesting job for you. We have a flat roof along with the shingles. So the job's pretty large. We're going to knock it off in one day. I'll show you all the details about the flat roof, show you all the details about the shingles, and show you how we can wrap up a whole entire roofing project in one day with enough guys, shingles, and flat roof. So I'll show you the project. So that's the house. There is the flat roof section here and the shingles up there. So there you go. It's going to be an interesting day, going to be a long day. Hopefully it doesn't stay too hot, and I'll show you how the job goes. Okay, so we're up on the roof. I'll show you what the roof looks like now. Like I said, we got the shingles going on, so you can see we've started putting chopper board down. That's going to be our new substrate we're going to work with. It's going to save the client a lot of money, so we don't have to tear off their existing roof. I'll show you what the roof looks like. There's a lot of issues with the roof. He's had some patches. You can see we're going to have to put new plywood here. This detail here along the metal siding, we just have basically a cant, and you can see there's been some repairs. So we have the shingles we're doing today also. You can see they're pretty old, and just the lifespan of the shingles is past its lifespan. So here we go. We got the full re-roof shingles and flat roof. We'll walk you through the project throughout the day. Hope you like it, hope you learned something, and we'll bring you back when we got some ice and water shield down, maybe when we have the shingles tore up. Thanks, guys. Okay, so we put the chopper board down, we primed it. You can see in the background we're tearing off the shingles. We're basically at a good point right now. The new board, you can see we put new plywood. Actually, you can't see, we've covered it with chopper board, but we put new plywood in some soft areas just to give it more, the substrate more structure. And you can see where we're at. We're cutting off the old roof, giving a nice clean look. When we're done, we don't want the old roof exposed under the metal flashing. And so that's it. We're going to start putting ice and water shield down when the primer primes. Put some ice and water shield down on the shingles, and start doing some detailing. Show you what it looks like later. Okay, so we're a little over halfway point. We have the base sheet in. We primed it. We put some cap sheet in. We've put some drip metal flashing along the edges to give the nice clean look. So you can see the base sheet, and you can also see the difference between this is the detail we went with. We went with a base sheet, drip metal flashing, and then a cap sheet. Gives it a nice clean. If you're looking down from the bottom, you get a really nice clean look. Like I said, remember when we cut the old roof off? Just looks nice. That's where we are with the flat roof. You can see the shingle roof. They've put the ice and water shield at the bottom. We've started with the shingles along the edge. We've cleaned it all up. We got some drip flashing along the eaves there, so that's where we're at. I'll bring you back later. The job's going really well. We're making some good time. We got some beautiful weather. The rain's held out, so I'll bring you back later. Okay, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We finished the job here. The flat roof turned out excellent. I really like how it turned out. We did wonderful drip metal on the side. Cleaned up his roof again, like I said, at the bottom. So looking from the yard, it really looks nice and sharp. The seam lines turned out great. We got nice asphalt bleed out throughout. We have a wonderful tie-in at the shingles. We put in another plywood, like I mentioned, just to give it a bit more structural rigidity. The tie-in for the steel siding turned out great. Let's take a look. So instead of lifting off the siding, because you never know what you're going to get into behind the substrate, we left the siding on. We brought the roofing up the steel cant behind that and tied it in with some drip flashing. So I think it turned out great. We have a nice water tie in there, and the water will shed down. Now we have water shedding down. Nice overlap to the eaves trough. The client's eaves trough was fine. There's no need to repair it. We saved a bit of money that way, and basically we just addressed what was needed. All in all, I think the roof came out great. We're finishing up the shingles here. I think the job turned out wonderful. We got the venting in, so it's got wonderful color now. Roof looks sharper, and at the end of the day, it's going to be a more watertight roof. So, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Give us a call. Look us online, legacyroof.com. Hope you liked it, and hope to hear from you guys soon. Thanks.